Iuka ho'eo Haleakalā is a mele that we use here at Kumu Lōkahi Kamehameha Maui. When the high school proper started all those years ago, we didn't have a mele. And so, the need came. We had to have one specific to our school. But it was important that we look at the school, we look at the students, what our aim was, what our goal was, what we wanted to be. And then I had to sit around for a little while. So at the initial years of our kula ki'eki'e, we didn't have one. And I noticed that in those earliest years, because we were such a new high school, our student body was a little timid. And I know that many mele might be longer and talk about the winds and the rain and the flowers and these things of this place. But I wanted something short and sweet and to the point. Iuka ho'eo Haleakalā ku kila kila. I am headed for the top of Haleakalā that stands in majesty. Kila kila kahala o ke ali'i kalanie. The halo, the school, the hall of learning, the school of the ali'i is majestic because of the lani, the heavenly one. And who is the heavenly one? O pai ea kalani. O ka iwa kilo moku, o ka na'i au puni, o kalani nui meha meha e. These names that he acquired during his lifetime. So the song starts off, I am from Maui. There's Haleakalā. And I come from this school. And this is my chief, Kamehameha, Pai'ea, and all these names of honor. This is the formal request, letting everyone know, this is who I am. This is where I'm from. And then we say, Meha meha ho'ea wahonei, e kahea mai komo. I am alone out here. Call me to enter. Iloko aue, iloko ho'ea aue. So that I am within, so that I am within. So it's a very short mele. This is where I'm from. This is the school I'm from and who I represent. Please let me in. But there's something in that I want to be there, and I'm not sure if everyone picks up on it. This is where I'm from. This is who I represent. Please let me in. And there's this hidden thing that might not be hidden. Depends on how you do it. That says, or else. O Pai'ea kalani. Many times we hear that Pai'ea was a name given to Kamehameha when he was born. But such a high-ranking chief would not be called a hard-shelled crab. Why would you do that? Samuel Kamakau tells us, Manaya Kalani Kamakau tells us that this was a name that Kamehameha earned in battle here on this island at the Battle of Kalaio'ilio, where he withdrew himself into this spot, and he was so difficult to remove that they couldn't. And later on, Kahekili asked, wasn't there anyone from Hawaii who proved his worth? It was that young one, Kamehameha. So Pai'ea was a battle-earned name. Ka'iwa Kilo Moku is a very old name that was given to Kamehameha. It is the Iwa bird that hooked the islands together. Kanai'aupuni, the conqueror of kingdoms, the conqueror of governments. And finally, when he reached his full majesty, O Kalani Nui Meha Meha, the great heavenly one that is alone. So for those years that our Haumana are here, they chant, Iuka ho'eo Haleakalā, I am headed for the top of Haleakalā. Yet, when they are about to graduate, at that ceremony, the mele now becomes Auka Hoʻi Haleakalā. I have reached the top of Haleakalā. Whether or not we've gone there as a school, we, the school, are the top of Haleakalā. This is the top. I came, I worked my way to the top, and now I am graduating. I have seen the top of Haleakalā.
Komo, I loko awe, I loko iawe. E ai ke kanake kumu loko ane awe kawa. I ano kau kulao